In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all call history on iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up your iPhone, your phone app. Mine is at the bottom left. And then if you go to recents, so you have all and you have missed. If you go all, these are all of your calls that you had for the previous like 90 days, I think. And it even goes even further than that. And these are all of your missed calls, basically. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.